I have the Sony Pulse 3D headset for your PS5, and this headset comes with a dongle that you normally use to connect to your PS5, or sometimes you can even connect to your computer and use this wirelessly. Now, let's say you forgot to charge and you don't even have power available where you are. The question I want to answer today is, can you use this headset without charge? And the answer is yes. And if you don't have power on your headset, you can actually connect to whatever you need to connect to using an aux cable. So on the PS5, for instance, you don't even need to have this turned on. Actually, you can even go ahead and turn it off. Okay, so you can see the headset is currently turned off, and you can actually go ahead and connect the headset using an aux cable to your controller. So every controller has this 3.5mm headphone port, and so all you have to do is connect the other end of the aux cable to the controller, and as long as the controller is on and connected to the PS5, then you can just put this on and use them even without any power. In fact, like I said, even with the switch turned off, these are going to work like normal headsets. The same goes for using them with a computer. Just find the aux port on your computer. For instance, this is my MacBook and it has an aux port. And to use this headset without charge, all I need to do is connect the other end of the headset to my computer. It could be a Windows computer, it could be a Mac, it doesn't really matter, as long as you have an aux cable that works. Sometimes you might need a longer one, but aux cables can work with your headset even when they don't have any charge. So that's basically how to use them with an aux cable in case you've run out of battery and you can't charge your headset. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.